Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Based on performance alone, there's no denying the new iPad Pro is the best one you can buy. But with fairly subtle upgrades overall, it's only worth spending money on if you haven't upgraded your tablet in a while.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When should you get 256 gigabytes? You should consider going for iPad Pro 2020 having a 256 GB storage if you're a power user. With a 256 GB iPad Pro 2020, you will install several applications and still have much more space to download your favorite movies. Yes, there is a limit, but it is not easy to get there.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The 12.9-inch 2020 iPad Pro with Apple's Magic Trackpad accessory. With mouse support, the iPad is inching closer to a real laptop replacement, something Apple has been promising for years with mixed results. The new 11 and 12.9-inch iPads Pro look and feel like the previous models launched in 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.